Hello, this is St. Pierre, and I'm a professional performer. Today we're going to be comparing the Boss TU-3. There's two different models. This one is the full-size model. I own quantity five of these for professional pedal boards, and I just designed another pedal board. But I have a lack of room, so I purchased the smaller version, which is the Boss TU-3s. That's in SAM for short. Boss states, as well as the seller on Reverb.com, that the full-size version has exactly the same features and settings as the smaller version. And I have the TU-3s plugged in at the moment, and I've got it so here you can see that in the arrowed version that there's a green LED that lights up once you're in tune, the arrows to go each way, right there, that green LED. Okay, now, that's not the mode that I am used to with the full-size TU-3s, so I'm going to unplug my instrument, and I'm going to plug in to my instrument, which is an acoustic electric instrument here. Now I have the full-size TU-3 plugged in. Now watch what happens. This is the mode that I've been using for years and years. See how it clenches with the LEDs? There it goes. It clenches when... Now, you know, this makes a big difference on stage because you know exactly when your instrument is tuned when that thing clenches and remains in place a little bit. So. There it is, the clench. I know that my instrument is tuned when that clench. Now that's on the full-size model TU-3 right here that has that mode, and I cannot find it anywhere on the Boss TU-3s. So the Boss rep has been going back and forth unsuccessfully to determine. The seller has no idea what I'm talking about. So today, I say that this model is different. Like the listings at Boss, it does not have the same feature that I'm looking for as on the TU-3. So that's the video today. And I'm hoping I can get this resolved with Boss. Thank you very much, all the parties involved.